Little storyteller.
The sun shone brightly in Sunny Meadow, where Lily the fluffy bunny with long floppy ears lived in a cozy burrow under a big oak tree. One sunny morning, a colorful box appeared on her doorstep. It was tied with a sparkly ribbon and had a tag that read, "Daily Dance Surprise." Lily carefully untied the ribbon. Inside the box was a rolled-up piece of paper. She unrolled it and saw a drawing of a wobbly jellyfish and the words, "The Wobbly Jellyfish." Lily giggled. A jellyfish dance. She stood up and tried to imagine being a jellyfish. She wiggled her ears, bounced her fluffy tail, and moved her arms in wavy circles, just like a jellyfish swimming in the sea. It was a very silly and fun dance. Later that day, her friend Barnaby, the cheerful bear with soft brown fur, came to visit. "Look what I got," Lily said, showing Barnaby the box and the wobbly jellyfish paper. "Wow!" Barnaby exclaimed. "Can I try?" Lily nodded, and Barnaby tried his own version of the wobbly jellyfish, making his belly wobble and his paws float like gentle waves. They both laughed. The next morning, the box had a new surprise, the sneaky squirrel shuffle. The paper showed a squirrel tiptoeing, and then quickly darting around. Lily and Barnaby tried to move like sneaky squirrels, twitching their noses and wiggling their bodies before suddenly scampering in different directions. Every day, the box brought a new dance challenge, the happy hippo hop, the fluttering butterfly flit, and the sleepy sloth sway. Lily and Barnaby looked forward to the daily surprise and had so much fun inventing their own moves. Sometimes, Penelope the playful fox, with a bushy tail, joined them, and they would all dance together in Sunny Meadow, each doing their own special version of the dance. One day, the box was empty. Lily and Barnaby looked at each other, a little sad, but then, Lily remembered all the fun dances they had learned. "We don't need the box to dance," she said. Barnaby smiled. "You're right, let's do the wobbly jellyfish." And so they did, followed by the sneaky squirrel shuffle and all their other favorite dances. Penelope joined them, and they danced until the sun went down, their hearts full of joy. Dancing together made them feel happy and creative. They learned that the best kind of fun is when you use your imagination and share it with your friends. And even though the box didn't bring any more surprises, they continued to invent new dances together every day in Sunny Meadow. The end.
Please subscribe. Thank you.